Ever wondered why some people seem to be the center of the universe, basking in the glory of their self-made spotlight, while others are mere spectators? Could it be that they possess a secret recipe for becoming the epitome of self-love, or should we say narcissism? Welcome, dear seekers of wisdom, to the grand unveiling of the step-by-step guide to becoming a narcissist. It's a journey, not for the faint-hearted, but for those who wish to elevate themselves above the mundane existence of humility and empathy. Step 1. Develop an insatiable thirst for attention. Remember, the world is your stage and every moment is a performance, so seize every opportunity to make your presence known. A narcissist thrives in the spotlight after all. Step 2. Fall in love with your reflection, not just in the literal sense, but metaphorically. Obsess over your qualities, achievements, and even your flaws. Remember, in the world of narcissism, self-love knows no bounds. Step 3. Embrace the art of exaggeration. Your life story isn't just a story, it's an epic saga of triumphs. Each experience is a grand tale, each achievement a monumental feat. The key? Make sure others perceive your life as larger than life. Step 4. Learn to dismiss criticism. It's a well-known fact that narcissists are immune to criticism. So whenever someone dares to critique you, simply dismiss it as jealousy or ignorance. After all, they can't possibly understand your greatness, can they? Step 5. Master the skill of manipulation. Use your charm and wit to bend others to your will. Remember, in the world of a narcissist, others are mere pawns in the grand game of life. Finally, step 6. Forget about empathy. Empathy is for the weak. True narcissists don't waste time understanding others' feelings or perspectives. You're the sun, and everything else revolves around you. And there you have it, the 6-step guide to becoming a narcissist. Now you too can join the league of those who bask in the glory of their own reflection, dismiss criticism with a flick of their wrist, and manipulate with such charm that even Machiavelli would be proud. But remember, this is a sarcastic guide, a mirror held up to the face of narcissism. Before you embark on this journey, ask yourself, is it worth it? Is the allure of self-adoration worth the cost of empathy, genuine relationships, and mutual respect? In the end, the choice is yours. Choose wisely, for the path of narcissism is a lonely one. But then again, who needs company when you have your own grandiose self to admire?